Hi everyone, today I'm gonna make a video about how to make a mask. To make a mask, you need to have hair ties, thread and scissors, 6 pieces of pattern, phase 1, phase 2, mouth 1, mouth 2, cheek 1, cheek 2, 3 pieces of fabric and sewing machine. Now let's start it. Drawing on the fabric according to each pattern. Remember, the inside layer need to use soft fabric to make, because of that make you comfortable and will not scratch your skin. That's all the steps we have. Here we go, this new mask. Don't forget to wear a mask when you go out. Stay safe and healthy. Bye.